Microsoft Word, Chapter 5, Projects 3A and 3B. Open a file called Robots, do your F12 and name it 5-Robots. Alright, step number 2. Insert a pre-designed text box by completing the following steps. Click your Insert tab. In the text group, click the text box button. So here's our text group, here's our text box button. Scroll down the drop-down list and then click the Ion Quote Dark option. Okay, so we're just going to scroll down and we're going to find the Ion Quote Dark option, which is down here. Okay. Type the following text in the text box. Quote, the task of creating a human-like body has proven incredibly difficult, period, closed quote. Okay, go ahead and type that real quick. Okay. Ooh. That's nice. Human-like bow. How about a human-like body? So yeah, go back and check it and make any corrections you need. Delete the line and the source placeholder in the text box by pressing the F8 key. Okay, so you should be clicked right there. I had deselected because I changed some things around, so make sure you're clicked right there. This is what we're about to do is a little bit odd. So we're going to press F8. Which turns on your selection mode, then Control-End, which is Control-End normally takes you to the bottom of your document, but in here it's only going to take you to the bottom of this text box, okay? And then press your Delete key. So what you did with F8, Control-End, it said select everything from the current location of your insertion point to the end of this text box. It selected it and we pressed Delete. We certainly could have simply highlighted it and pressed Delete, but they showed you a different way to do it. Step number 5. With the Drawing Tools Format tab active, okay, so that's where we are. You can see it's all Drawing Tools Format tab active because we're clicked on our text box. Click the More Shape Styles button in the Shape Styles group, okay? So here's Shape Styles, and you know when you see one of these, this is your More button. Alright, there's a whole lot in here. What do we need to pick? Subtle Effect, blue, Accent 5 option, 6 column, 4th row, Theme Styles. Here's Theme Styles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. Please tell me that's the right one. Subtle Effect, blue, Accent 5. Yay. Okay, do you see it? It's right there. Go ahead and click it. That's nice. It actually made a very nice change. Alright, step number 6. Click the Shape Effects button in the Shape Styles group. Okay, Shape Styles group, Shape Effects. We want to go to Shadow, so touch Shadow. And then click the Offset Diagonal Bottom Right option, which is the first column, first row in the outer section. Here's our outer section. There's our first column in our first row, and that is Offset Diagonal Bottom Right. Okay? Click it. Step number 7. Position the mouse pointer on the border of the selected text box until the pointer turns into a 4-headed arrow, and then drag the text box so it's positioned as shown over here at the right. Okay? Doing it right along with you guys. Oh, it's way down. Okay, sorry. It's down. They want us to go down into visual perceptions. And by the way, if you don't, I just let go of mine because I need to scroll down. You can absolutely let go of it and grab it again. All right, let's try this again. All right, we want 2 lines of text up there. About like that. Totally guessing on this. And that's kind of what they told you to do, right? It's just eyeball it. I think that's close to how they have it. I think I need to come farther over this way, don't I? There we go. All right, just do your best on this one, you guys, because they're not giving you an exact measurement. They're just telling you to eyeball it. So you should have like 2 lines up here. This one ends with the word us, and the A starts over here, and that's close enough. Okay? Deselect. which I did. Did you? Deselect, click. All right, looks pretty good. Go ahead and hit your save. All right, let's do 3B, inserting and formatting a text box. Let's go Control-End. Insert a text box by completing the following steps. We want to go to our Insert tab. Click the Text Box button. Okay. And then click the Draw Text all the way down here. See where it says Draw Text Box? Go ahead and click it. Now you have this big, pretty black plus sign. Position the mouse pointer immediately right of the insertion point and then click the left mouse button. So we're just going to go right here and go like that. Okay, anytime you're working with a text box, it's very forgiving because we can change the size of this, we can reposition it, we can do whatever we need to do. Okay, so just go ahead and click, don't be scared. Step number 3, change the text box height and width by completing the following steps. A, click in the shape height measurement box. It's 1.2. So it's 1.2. And then what's our width? 4.5. Okay. Step number 4. Center the text box by clicking the Align button and then clicking Align Center. Okay. So right here in the Arrange group, it says Align, Align Center. Okay. Step number 5. Apply a shape style by clicking the More Shape Styles button in the Shape Styles group. So here's our Shape Styles group, and you know what a More button looks like. And what do we want? Subtle Effect Blue Accent 1. Second column, 4th row of Theme Styles. Theme Styles, second column, 4th row. Subtle Effect Blue Accent 1. Got it? Step number 6. Apply a bevel shape effect by clicking the Shape Effects button. Okay, so we're going to go to Shape Effects, and we want bevels. And then clicking the Soft Round option. So tell me where it is. Second column, second row. Soft round. There we go. All right, step number 7. Starting to look kind of pretty, isn't it? Apply a 3D shape effect by clicking the Shape Effects button and then going 3D rotations. Okay, Shape Effects, 3D rotation. We want to look for perspective, which is right here. You see perspective? And we want the perspective above option, first column, second row. Okay, first column, second row, and that says perspective above. Go ahead and click on it. Step number 8. Insert and format text in the text box by completing the following steps. 8A. Click on it, because I don't know about you, but I was not there. Press your Enter key 2 times. Click your Home tab. Change the font size to 14 points. Oh, I want 14 point bold. Color, standard, dark blue. Centered. Type International Conference on Artificial Intelligence, Summer 2019. Okay, fix that. Now, it says to click outside. Mine is too low. There. I just pulled out one stroke of the Enter key, by the way. It's all I did was click up here and press my Delete key one time. I'm going to click back outside, and I am going to look at their nice little illustration in the book, and I think mine looks just about like theirs. So it is time to save and print and turn that in and move on.